Ahoy! I was out fishing one day when I saw this bird land on the docks we were at. At first, I didn't know what kind of bird it was. So when I got home, I started researching. I managed to take this picture, and after consulting my most trusted resources...
Book.
I have managed to find out what kind of bird I saw at the dock, so ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please! Blue crake, scientific name Porzana parva. As for notable fish, I caught this perch, scientific name Persera fluviatilis. And as for the rest of the fish we caught, we turned them into a delicious fish fry. Thank you for watching, Godspeed!